Damn, I have no socks. Damn, where are my socks? I'm always fucking late, cause I smoke a lot. If we had a date, yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot. 20 minutes late, pulling up to my job. Yeah, I smoke a joint, just to roll a fucking blunt. Yeah, I'm rocking camo pants, but I ain't tryna hunt. I haven't done my laundry in about a month. It's okay, I buy a whole new outfit just to stunt. Wait, you hate on me, but at my show you're in the front. Hold up, you're fake. Hold up, you're done.